bust that one up.
Strings came apart, the U-joints all busted.
Oh, shit.
These U-joints here completely bent. Wow. I'm coming.
Come out here and video.
Fine. Oh, there's one of the leaf springs. Might need to pick that up.
And bolt right there.
There's your shim.
Yep.
Oh,
There's
some pieces.
Yeah, we found the weak
Nice.
link.
One of.
There's another shim.
That sheared that completely off. Supposed to be grade 8. Here's another one. Is that more?
I don't think so.
That's, yeah, it's blue. There's something off the truck. Oh, yeah, I know what that is. That is.
Spacer?